Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss exercise 15.1 question number 3. Can this be net for a die? Explain your answer. Here the opposite of the side 1 is, you see here, if you fold this one, if you fold this one, then you see that 4 is the opposite of 1, right? And here in this case also you see that the opposite of 3 is 6. Here you see the opposite of 3 is 6, but that doesn't equal to 7. The rule for making a die is that the sum of the opposite face is 7. Therefore we cannot make this a die, right? Therefore the answer is, we can write the answer here. Therefore we can write that no, this cannot be a net for a die. No, this cannot be a net. No, this is the solution. No, this cannot be a no, this cannot be, this cannot, this cannot be a net, be a net for a die, for a die, right? The reason is because the opposite face of 1, because the opposite face of 1, opposite face of 1 is 4, and the opposite face and the opposite face and the opposite face of 3 is 6. 3 is 6. But in case of die, in case of die, the sum of opposite sides should be always 7. The sum of opposite face, the sum of opposite face, sum of opposite faces of a die is always 7, but in this net, the sum of opposite faces is not 7. The sum of opposite faces, the sum of opposite faces is not 7. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.